Tonight, we're learning the names of the 5 people who were on the plane that landed on a busy portion of I-75 in Naples yesterday. 2 people died and 3 survived. Thank you so much for being with us tonight. I'm Alina Machado.
And I'm Chris Hush. A section of the interstate remains closed this evening. Let's get right out to NBC6's Nico Clemens, who is live in Fort Lauderdale with more on the victims. Nico.
Well, Chris and Alina, those 2 families are dealing with loss tonight, but really it's an emotional time for so many people. We're outside Hop-A-Jet at the Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport, and the jet that crashed is listed on their website. Well, the company has not given us a statement as of right now, but tonight we are hearing from the son of one of the 2 men who tragically died.
Is there anybody else in there?
Fear and panic from 3 people running from a horrific jet crash. Those 3, a crew member and 2 passengers, were on this jet and made it out alive. 2 other people did not survive. The person holding the phone is Kyle Cavalier.
Just relax, buddy.
He was one of many people who witnessed the jet go down and ran over to try and help.
Anytime you've seen anything on movies, it doesn't hold a candle to what you actually feel and see at that moment.
Jesus Christ. The Collier County Sheriff's Office says pilot Edward Murphy and his co-pilot Ian Frederick Hoffman died in Friday's crash on I-75 in Naples. Hoffman's family says they are still in shock and devastated. His son Christopher says his father was the ultimate professional pilot with more than 40 years and 25,000 hours of experience. He sent NBC6 a statement saying, "We know our father died a hero, doing his best to save everyone he could on the plane." NTSB says the pilot radioed air traffic control moments before crashing.
Lost both engines, emergency. I'm making an emergency landing.
State troopers and emergency crews were back on the interstate Saturday, cleaning up what's now left behind. The jet, a Bombardier Challenger 600, took off from Ohio and was scheduled to land in Naples. NBC6 spoke with Robert Clifford, an aviation attorney who handled the case when a Bombardier Challenger jet crashed in Colorado 20 years ago. He says right now it's too early to speculate what happened.
Could it be a fuel problem, contaminated fuel? Could there be switches that turn something off?
The NTSB is now trying to get to the bottom of this deadly disaster.
Is that a plane?
So NTSB is going to look at everything from the flight track data, maintenance records, and the pilot's flight experience. In Fort Lauderdale, Nico Clemens, NBC6 News.